Have you ever seen those jaw-dropping 3D text intros in motion graphics and wondered, how do they do that in After Effects? So the secret is Element 3D. So let's show you how to use it. First, you want to install the Element 3D plugin. So just purchase and download the Element 3D plugin from the official Video Copilot website. Then you want to close your After Effects before running the installer. Then you want to run the installer. Simply just locate the file of Element 3D and then follow the prompts on the screen. Then you want to select the installation locations. Simply you need to set it up under Adobe After Effects. Then we have to do some licensing. So after that, you need to open After Effects, launch After Effects after the installation is complete, create a new solid layer. Then you want to edit that layer and you can now apply the element 3D. Open the scene interface, then you want to activate your license. So for automatic installations, you can just enter your Video Copilot Store login, email, and password. For manual installations, the automatic method fails, you can click on the request file in the license window and save the generated request file on your computer. And then lastly is for verification and setup. So after verifying installation, you can now configure your preferences and you can now use Element 3D in After Effects. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.